Welcome back to Cruising with Karawa. I'm Frank.
And I'm Leslie, and we are cruising on our Nordhaven 64, and we have finally made a decision about what's next. So follow along to see what we've decided.
I'm glad she said we, because normally she says, I finally made a decision. Anyway, enjoy the video. Last day in Vista Mar, sun's just coming up. What do you think of Vista Mar, babes?
The surge in this marina is terrible.
What is it?
Terrible.
Terrible.
Yeah,
a lot of people aren't happy. The lions are just taking a beating.
I mean, I don't know what they do about it, but
Yeah.
it's not great at all.
There's a lot of surge in this marina, and it's been pretty heavy on our lines. We've obviously used a lot of chafe protection and even adopted using some straps to try and preserve the lines where they're tied up to the dock. She certainly makes a pretty picture, but you can see that we have additional lines out here on the port side of the dock. On the bow, we're using some 15mm Dyneema line that is normally used to stern tie to the trees up in the Pacific Northwest. This Dyneema has proved to be incredibly strong and useful in holding the boat off the bow so it doesn't crash into the dock. Then as you move aft, you'll see that we have two lines coming out. And they're continuously stretching, and I have to adjust them every so often to stop the stern crashing into the dock as well. So they're getting quite slack at the moment because there's quite a lot of movement as the tide goes out. On the stern we've used a cargo strap on the bits because there was chafing through the lines, even with the chafe guards. As you can see, the boat is moving quite dramatically, and you'll say, well, tighten the lines. Well, we do tighten the lines and then they stretch. This has been like this continuously, and I simply can't wait to get out of here. So where we're going tomorrow?
We are going to wait our turn at the entrance to the Panama Canal.
Is that a final?
Apparently. I mean, we've even done the paperwork for it, so
Yeah.
that's... But you know, last time we had even filled the bladders to cross the Pacific, so I don't know, man. I just go where the captain says we go.
Yeah, it looks like we're going to head out of Marina tomorrow. We'll put some fuel in the boat. We'll head out, take an anchorage at one of the islands for the night, then head into Panama City on Tuesday, maybe even Wednesday, and wait our turn to go through the canal. What's that been all about? Well, we've gone through a lot of iterations of conversation. We did turn back. At the time I wasn't feeling it. We came down and went to Costa Rica, which we hadn't done before. Managed to catch up with our friends N57 Alliance, Jason and Rochelle. Managed to see a little bit of Costa Rica. Then we came down to Panama and saw parts of Panama we hadn't done before. And as has been documented, we had the urgent haul out. So I'm in a lot of ways believe fate played its hand, and only looking on the positive side, there were reasons for it. You know, it's a bit late in the season to get to Fiji in time for Leslie to go back to South Africa for a month. So we decided that we would go through the canal and go to Shelter Bay Marina, and it's an opportunity to do a few household chores that we need to do back in Florida as well. So the line stopper has got wrapped around the line. was trying to use the capstan at the back, but the foot pedal has stopped working, so I'm not able to move it. Fortunately, we do have a spare, so hopefully it's the foot pedal that's broken and nothing else. It's kind of loose. Maybe it needs to be tighter. What do you think? Maybe that's all it was. Eh?
I don't know.
Let's just tighten it first and see. Nothing. Just make sure. I could clean up the ends so that they. Clearly, it's the foot pedal. Yippee-dee-doo-dah!
Well, that was a nice, quick, easy fix.
Nice Sunday morning
Yeah.
between coffee and breakfast. Yeah. So we just need to tighten it up nicely. So we know the foot pedal's gone.
I thought there was a new foot pedal.
I can't remember which one. One of them was new, and I don't know which one it was. I thought it may have been this one.
Oh well, doesn't really matter.
It's brand new now, fitted by Captain Coles. Eh?
Yeah, well done.
So now let's get some black 5200 and smear it around here and put this sucker back on. You don't want to cake it. Yeah? The buttons. Yeah? Let's put them in here, and then that lines up there. So we want it to be it's going to come down like okay, that's gone quite well. That was a good idea, love. You're not just a pretty face, huh?
That can be quite useful sometimes, you know.
That's very helpful. Finally made the break from Vista Mar Marina and ran for a few hours to anchor overnight, and then onwards to Panama City, where we encounter the traffic and get ourselves alongside in Flamenco Marina. Okay, so we're approaching Panama City, Balboa, the Pacific side of the canal. We're heading to Flamenco Marina, and we should be there in an hour and a half, and we'll go on the wait list. We're told it's about 3 days to go through the canal. We decided it was too late to go over the Pacific. We didn't want to rush it. We also have a bunch of things we want to get done in Florida. So after we've got through the canal, we will make our way up to Florida and get on with dealing with some chores so that we are ready to get going again at the end of September. It's all good. Excited to be going through the canal on this boat. At least I'll have a stern thruster this time. Didn't have one last time. It was a whole different challenge. Last time we were here we used La Playita Marina, so coming into Flamenco was the first for us. It's fairly standard, although it was a little bit like Piccadilly Circus with boats coming and going, because it's a pretty commercial Marina as well, with all the workboats and cruise boats and taxis and ferries. We had to turn around in the fairway and then back down into the slip between these two boats.
Alright, the port quarter is 18 feet from the dock.
Well, that's us tied up in the marina. Can you spot the Admiral in the Panama sign? Next time, join us for our transit of the Panama Canal from west to east. We have some great footage and some great anecdotes for you to enjoy. It's always an experience, no matter if you've been through once or 20 times. We love the transit. Please like and subscribe and follow along. See you next time. Thanks for watching.